Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you about the Autoback, which is a nice addition in 3ds Max, which saves us from killing ourselves when the Max is crashed and we have worked on the important project, and sometimes it can happen that Max crashes and all your work you have done in the 5 hours can be lost, and it's basically the lifesaver. So for instance, we created the objects and we worked on many other things during the work in the Max, and we press save and we just type the name, and when we need we can go and open it and it's okay, and maybe most of you know it. But when it gets crashed, what you're gonna do? So in order to activate these Autoback options, or at least check if it's activated, you need to go press this button, Max button, and go to the options and go to the files and make sure that this auto backup enabled, and if it's not enabled you just click and make sure it has tick on it. And here you can see the number of Autoback files, it's 5, and it means basically, for instance, and it's the time interval. It means each 3 minutes the Max is gonna save one file for you, and for instance it's gonna be Autoback 1, Autoback 2, Autoback 3, Autoback 4 and Autoback 5, and then it's not gonna create Autoback 6, it's gonna save and overwrite the Autoback 1 file, and then it's gonna overwrite Autoback 2, it's gonna overwrite Autoback 3, Autoback 4 and Autoback 5. So if you want, actually it's a good idea to increase this number to and have, for instance, 10 Autoback files, and maybe it's a good idea to decrease the interval minutes to, for instance, 1. And basically by doing this, let's make it 1. By doing this you say 3ds Max that save 10 files, and after 1 minute repeat the step. For instance, save 10 files by each 1 minute. Well, it might be a good idea sometimes, it might not be a good idea sometimes. For instance, if your save file is 1 gigabyte and it's basically takes a lot of time to save this big file, and if you have 10 Autoback files, it means that you have 10 gigabyte unused files, and you can use these Autoback files only if Max gets crashed. If Max everything works fine, you never use these Autoback files because you have your own save files ready for you. So it's basically what you need to do is make sure that you have balanced number of Autoback files and balance the time interval. For instance, if you work on a big project and it's basically takes like 30 seconds to save your file, it's really annoying to wait, for instance, if each 2 minutes to save the Max, to wait when the Max is save your Autoback files. So it gets really annoying, and basically when I work with bigger files I increase this time interval to the 10 minutes, and I decrease these Autoback files to 5. It's like 10 to 5 for me for the bigger files. And if you work with the smaller files, or for instance if you create one model, you just increase this to 10, make it to 2 or 3, and it's gonna work for you quite well. And so let's press backup interval minutes to 2 and number of Autoback files to 10, and okay, now we're gonna wait for the 2 minutes and just create bunch of objects, and now after that we're gonna open this Autoback file to see if it really saved anything for us or it's just bullshit, but I'm sure that it's gonna work. And another thing I like about this 3ds Max, that each time you create object it gives you a different random color. So it's really cool that Max has this feature. For instance, Maya doesn't have this kind of colorful feature. Okay, I hope 2 minutes is passed. So let's not save anything, just go directly to the open, and it asks if you want to save. We don't want, press don't save. And basically when you open or try to save the file, it goes directly to the scenes folder, and this is the default folder for your project. So you go one level up, you find the Autoback folder, and all the Autoback files you have is gonna be on this folder. So let's have a look what's the time is it. It's 1:18, and let's have a look to our Autoback file if we have the latest Autoback file is the Autoback backup 2, and it's the date, it shows 1:11. So it means our Autoback file is not ready yet. Maybe we need to wait and create a little bit more objects. Actually, you can see that the previous Autoback file is here, and it's like 7 minutes early file that we created. While I was showing you the menu, it saved one Autoback file for us. So you got the idea. The Autoback file is really good and it's lifesaver sometimes, and I'm sure that you're gonna need this feature a lot in your next life. So see you, and I hope you like this tutorial. Bye.